This is Mahesh. Now in this session we are going to look examples of alligation and mixture. If you haven't watched the basics of alligation mixture, go watch that video and come back here. We'll do this. Let's get started. Are you excited? Let's get started. The first question. In what proportion must wheat at price rupees 4.10 per kg be mixed with wheat at price rupees 4.60 per kg so that the mixture be worth rupees 4.30 per kg? Okay, the question is, even in the basics itself I told you two different values will be given and then one average value. Average value is nothing but the mixture of those two different values. Then you have to find out the ratio of the number of kgs of first one and number of kgs of second one, which is the ratio. Ratio is nothing but least integer. Okay, comparing two quantities in least integer. The same thing we are going to use the same formula here. Least value, highest value, and average value in the middle. Least value is nothing but you have two different wheats here. In this case, least value is nothing but 4.10. What is the highest value here? 4.60. And what is the average value here? 4.30, because that is the cost of mixture. Okay, when you cross you will get the ratio. That's it. Okay, let's do this. So write down what are the things out there. First, least value. What is the least value? Least value is rupees 4.10 per kg is the least value I have. And then what is the highest value? Highest value is rupees 4.60 per kg, which is per kg, the rupees per kg. So and then average value, which is nothing but mixture cost. Mixture cost is 4.30. What you have to do? You have to cross and then find out the difference. What is the difference between these two? 0.30. Just you need to find out the difference. You should not consider about minus. If you subtract 4.30 minus 4.60, what you will get? Minus 0.30. That is not required here. What is here required is the difference between these two. Difference between these two is 30 paise. Okay, 0.30. And when you do this here, what you will get? Difference between these two, 0.20. So, is this ratio? No. Ratios will not be in fractions or decimals. So, you have to convert it into integer. How will you convert? Multiplying by 10, you will get ratio. So, multiplying by 10, you will get 3 here and 2 here. The ratio of the wheat mixed together is 3:2 ratio. So minimum kg of 3 kgs from this wheat and 2 kgs from this wheat to be mixed to get 4.30 rupees of 5 kg. Okay, 5 kg wheat of rupees 4.30. Okay, get into the next problem. The question: how many kg of rice at rupees 60 per kg must be mixed with 30 kg of rice at rupees 25 per kg so that he may, on selling the mixture at rupees 50 per kg, gain 25% on the outlay? Okay, gain is there. What is gain? 25% means what is its percentage? Yeah, you know, right? You have watched the percentage topic. Gain at 25% means the increase is 125%, because original cost is 100%, gain 25%, so 125%. Here you have to find the cost price. Cost price is what important. You have the value for two different kind of rice with cost price, but here 50 rupees per kg is not cost price, which is selling price. You have to find out the cost price. Selling price means which will have profit or loss within it. Here it's gain, it's profit. Okay, you have to reduce it. First step is you have to find out the cost price here. So what you will do? So I know that 125% is 50. Find out 100%. You know that how to use unknown. So 125 is what the value I know. 100% is what I have to find, because cost price is 100%. That is what I need to find. So 125% is 50. Cancelling this, how many times of 25 is there in 100? 4 times. And how many times of 25 is there in 125? 5 times. Cancelling this, 10 times of 5 is 50. So total 40. I got the average price, nothing but the mixer's cost, which is 40. Now I have three values. So 60 per kg and 25 per kg as well as 40 per kg. Which one is the highest value? 60 per kg. And which one is least? 25 per kg. And then what is the average? 40 per kg. Okay, write down in this format. So rupees 25, rupees 60 and rupees 40. So I am writing with the same color. So here I have to write 60. Okay, find out the difference between these two. So what is the difference between these two? Cross difference, which is 20. Here, what is the difference here? 15. So you have to subtract and take the difference alone. You should not take negative values. So cancel this, what you will get? This is not ratio because there is common factor between these two. What is the ratio? Here it's 4, here it's 3. Am I right? Done. But what is the question? So that he may selling the mixture rupees 50 per kg, gain 25% on overlay. But how many kg of rice at 60 per kg is mixed? So I know that ratio of that 60 rupees kg is 3x. I don't know the value for that. But I know the value for the rice at 25 rupees per kg. I have 30 kg of rice with the price of 25 rupees per kg. Okay. So which means I have the value for this 4x. What is that? 30 kg, right? So this 30 kg is nothing but 4x. 4x equal 30 kg. So find out, you have unknown known, find out to get the answer. So again you have to fix that. You know the value for 4x, which is 30. You have to find the value for 3x. So cancelling this, you will get the answer. Cancel this. How many times of 2 is there in 4? 2 times. And 15 times. 15 into 3 is 45. 45 by 2 is 22.5 kg. So the rice with the rupees 60 per kg is totally 22.5 kg in this mixture. Okay, that's all. Let's move on to the next question. 400 grams spirit solution has 40% spirit in it. How many grams of spirit should be added to make it 60% in the solution? We have only 2%. Where is the other one? That is what there inside the question itself. You have to find out that. What is there? Listen, 400 grams spirit solution has 40% spirit in it. How many grams of spirit should be added? If it is pure spirit, what is its percentage? Yeah, you are right, 100%. So you have to take that the second part of the mixture is 100% spirit. In that, how many grams is what you have to find out. At the end, what is the mixture solution? Mixture solution should have 60%. Just fix it, you will get the answer. Am I right? 400 grams spirit solution has 40% spirit in it. So, in a solution which is first one which has 40% solution in it, I am going to add the spirit alone, the pure spirit, which is 100% pure. So I am going to mix 40% with 100% to get 60%. In what ratio I have to mix is what I have to find out at first. After that, I will find out how many grams is mixed here. Okay, first take it down. What is the least value here? 40% solution is the least value here. And then what is the highest value? 100% solution. This is what there inside the question you have to find out. Okay, done. What is the average value at the end? Mixing these both two, I should get 60% of the solution. So what is the cross difference? What is the difference? 160, 40. And then 40 and 60, what you will get? 20. What is the ratio? Ratio of these two is 2 is to 1. Because 40 and 20 is not ratios, that should be in least integer. So there is a common factor between these two, cancelling 20 times of 20. So 1 times of 20, 2 times of 20. 2 is to 1 is the ratio. Now I got that this part, how many grams of 40% spirit solution? Which is 400 grams. So I know that this is 400 grams. 2x is 400 grams. What is 1x? I could find the no. This is the answer. What is 1x? 2x is 400 grams. What is 1x? Yeah, 200 grams. So substituting this, I will get 2x is equal 400 grams. I don't need to worry about finding with unknown known because I know that half of this will be the answer for this. 400 grams, 1x is 200 grams. The question is, find out how many grams of spirit, pure spirit. So the word pure is missing here, they will not give you. You have to figure out that 100% spirit is mixed in this question. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Two vessels contain milk and water in the ratio 7:3 and 2:3 respectively. Find the ratio in which the contents of both the vessels must be mixed to get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 3:2. So I said in the previous video itself, two different mixtures, milk and water mixtures are mixed together to get the new mixture. Like Arogya milk and Avin milk are mixed together to get a new mixture. Okay, that Arogya milk is 7:3 milk and water, and Avin is 2:3. Example, I am telling it with an example. Avin is 2:3. And if you mix these two, you should get 3:2. Okay, how to solve? This can be solved in two ways. The first way, you have to find out milk out of this. What is the total part here? 7:3 means what is total parts? Whenever you have ratios, you have total parts. 7:3 means what is total parts? 10 parts. Here, come here. What is the ratio? 3:2. 5 parts out there. 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts are this one. Here, out of 10 parts, 7 parts are milk. Here, out of 5 parts, 2 parts are milk. Like that. Here, out of 5 parts, 3 parts are milk. So, first thing, you have to take it down the fraction value. You don't need to worry about the least highest values with the fractions because you don't need that. Because you know that this is the first vessel, this is the second vessel. If you write this as first, that is the content of first vessel. If you write this as second, the highest value position, that is the content of the second vessel. Okay, I am going to write this as 7/10. Am I right? I can write this as 7/10. Why? I am taking the milk part alone. Out of 10 parts, milk 7 parts. And then next here, I am taking this. What is the thing? Out of 5 parts, I have 2 parts as milk. If you are taking milk, you have to milk alone throughout. Or else if you are taking water, you have to take water in all the positions. So here 3/10, here 3/5, you have to take. Okay. In the last one, you have 3:2. What you will have to take? 3/2, right? Okay. So find out the difference. You will get the ratio of mixed values. Okay. What is the difference? So sorry, this is 3/5. Why it is not 2? Because out of total parts, how many parts is milk is what we have been taking. Okay. Here 5. Okay. What is the value will come? 5 denominator, 3 into 1. So difference is 1. Are you clear? 5 is common. When you subtract 3/5 with 2/5, you will get 1/5. Am I right? Done. Here, you don't have the common. So 10 and 5 you will take LCM, which is 10. Okay. Then 7 minus here 2 times of. You are multiplying numerator and denominator by 2 to get 10 in the denominator. So 6. So answer will be 1 by 10. So this is not ratio. 1 by 5 and 1 by 10 is not ratio. Why? Because ratio should not be in fraction. So you have to multiply this with 10 to get integer. You can multiply this with 10 because both place we have 5 and 10. So I am multiplying 10 in both sides to get the value in integer. Cancelling this, what you will get? So 2 times of 5 is 10. So here 1 times. So ratio is 2 is to 1. So that's all. This is the first way of solving. You can solve the same thing with water also. Anyway, you will get the same answer 2 is to 1. The 2 mix of 2 packet or 2 cup of first vessel should be mixed with 1 cup of second vessel to get the final result in the ratio of milk and water 3 is to 2. That's it. Okay, this is the first way. Second way is if you are very good at percentage, if you are able to convert this in percentage very fast, then you can convert. So 7 is to 3 is here. What is the percentage of milk and water? The total percentage is 100, right? Total cup percentage is 100, right? So 70-30. So if it is in the second case, 2 is to 3. What is the ratio? Out of 5, total parts 5. 5 should be divided into 100 because the whole part is 100. So 2 is to 3, you will get 40 is to 60. Done. Next, and the final one is 3 is to 2 here. So this is 60 is to 40. If you get these values, you can substitute 70, 40, 60. Either this one or this one. Either milk or water you can fix, you will get the answer. I am going to fix water here. So what you will get? So not least value, the first vessel is 30. Anyway, that is the least one. And the second vessel water part is 60. And then the average, when you mix together, you get 40% as the water. So find out the cross difference. So what is the difference here? 20%. What is the difference here? 10%. Cancelling this, you will get 2 is to 1. The first vessel and second vessel should be mixed in 2 is to 1 ratio. 2 times of first vessel, 2 cups of first vessel should be mixed with 1 cup of second vessel. The same answer we got with the milk's fraction way. Milks, you can solve this in milk's water way, as well as you can solve this in the percentages milk's way. Totally 4 kind of ways you could solve these kind of sums. Okay, that's all.